Hello everyone and welcome back to our verb conjugation series in German. If you have already watched part 1 and part 2, you are doing amazing, and if not, I highly recommend watching them first so everything flows smoothly, because today German verbs are going to change not only at the end but also from the inside. Let's see how. Observe these verbs: fahren, geben and lesen. Try to get stem by removing an ending. Fahr, geb, les. Everything looks normal. But watch carefully what happens next. Here is the twist. In these verbs, the stem vowel changes, but not everywhere. The change happens only with do and hes. All other forms stay exactly the same. There are 3 types of stem vowel changing verbs. Type 1. A becomes a umlaut. For instance, fahren, to drive. Ich fahre, du fährst, fährt, wir fahren, ihr fahrt, sie fahren. Did you notice? A becomes a umlaut, but only in do and ses forms. Type 2. E becomes I. For example, geben, to give. Ich gebe, du gibst, gibt, wir geben, ihr gebt, sie geben. Same rule, same positions. And last but not the least, type 3. E becomes IE. For instance, lesen, to read. Ich lese, du liest, liest, wir lesen, ihr lest, sie lesen. Change happens again only in those 2 forms. Let's summarize quickly. 3 patterns, 1 rule. A becomes a umlaut, E becomes I, and E becomes IE. Change happens only in do and ses forms. Let's see how it works in sentences. Du fährst schnell. Gibt mir das Buch. Sie liest ein Buch. Simple. Pick the correct form based on the subject and your sentence is ready. These are some common verbs you will see again and again. So it's a great idea to start recognizing their patterns early. Now you have seen how German verbs can even change from within. Like, share, comment and subscribe for our next part, where we will explore verbs that don't follow patterns so easily. Auf Wiedersehen. Tschüss.